In your quest for success, a lot of times there will be days where you'll feel like there is no progress. In actuality, that feeling of no progress is actually progress. There's a quote I'd like to give you. It's by Marcus Aurelius, and we've been talking about kings, so of course we're going to talk about Marcus Aurelius. Again, Marcus Aurelius was emperor of Rome. Okay, the man said, "It is not unfortunate that this has happened. It is fortunate that it has happened, and I have been unharmed by it." Imagine two scenarios, or imagine the same scenario. Something horrible has happened, and you have to go and tell your kingdom about what has happened. Okay, from one end, you could go and tell them everything's ruined, something terrible has happened, and I've completely failed, and I don't know how we're going to move forward. Or you can tell them, look, this has happened, and we are unharmed by it. A lot of times I look back into the past and I think, I wish I made that mistake sooner because then I could have gotten past it. A lot of times in your journey, you will feel like there is no progress being made. And that feeling is progress itself. It is a feeling of frustration that will lead to the right action and guide you in the future. It might not seem like it now, but an oak tree doesn't grow in a day. Olive tree, let's say an olive tree. An olive tree takes 100 years to grow. What you're growing is going to take a little bit longer to show fruit, but it will yield fruit as long as you keep your goal in front of you and keep pressing forward. That's how all things are made in nature. Last tip, keep your goal on a card and review it morning and night so you know exactly what you're working for. So when you don't feel like there's progress being made, you remember that this is progress. You found a way that doesn't work. Good luck.